may deadline hanggang October 15 itong mga POGO workers na i-downgrade yung visa nila. Kaya kailangan namin ng paliwanag. What does it mean na itong mga POGO workers na ito ay kailangan, they have until October 15 to downgrade yung visas po nila. What does that mean? What does that entail? Dana?
Yes, Ma'am Ali, sunod po doon sa sinabi po ng ating Pangulo na ang mga nagtatrabaho po sa mga POGO companies should, kumbaga magsara na po ang mga POGO companies dito by the end of the year. Kasama po dyan sa pagsasara ay yung downgrading ng mga foreign nationals na nagtatrabaho po doon sa mga online gaming companies na yun. By downgrading, ang ibig sabihin nun is they are parang surrendering na their working visa status here in the Philippines and reverting to the basic temporary visitors visa. With yung pagbabalik po nila doon sa temporary visitors visa na yon, they are given 59 days to wind down their affairs. Kumbaga, pagkatapos po nilang mag-downgrade, para silang isurrender ang kanilang status, meron silang 59 days para po mag-wind down ng affairs, magligpit-ligpit, mag-empake, magpaalam sa jowa, mag-book ng ticket to leave the country.
Oh, okay. So Ms. Dana, ito na nga, no? Sabi mo 10,000 workers, POGO workers. So I'm assuming, are they all Chinese o mixed nationalities po ito? At yung pagda-downgrade ba nila, is it going to be done online? Is it easy for them or they have to go to the BI office? Paano po yung pamamaraan? Paano po makuha nila po yung kanilang bagong visa, no? Kasi sinususpend nyo na po yung kanilang working visa.
Yes, this is of mixed nationalities po, but majority po siguro mga 75 or 80% mga Chinese nationals po. So karamihan po yan Chinese nationals. We have coordinated po with the interagency headed by PAGCOR. Kasama po natin dyan IACAT, DOLE, PAOK, NBI, PNP, para po ma-streamline natin kasi madami po ito, ma'am. And ayaw natin na magsabay-sabay po silang magdagsaan po palabas ng bansa. And thankfully, nasa 10,000 na po yung nakapag-downgrade. So tapos na po yan, nakabook na rin sila ng kanilang mga outbound tickets. So that's not a problem anymore. Ang proseso po natin is that their companies would be the one to file the downgrading for them. So ipa-file po yan. And the company themselves may request the BI through PAGCOR and kasama po yung TOLE na magko-conduct po kami ng implementation days sa kanila po mga kumpanya para hindi po magdagsaan sa opisina itong mga foreign workers na ito. And it would be much faster kasi nandun na po lahat. All the clearances will be issued on-site, as well as DOLE representatives po will be there to accept surrendered alien employment permits para po doon sa mga foreign nationals na palabas na ng bansa.
So ano yung, may estimate ba kung ilan pa po ang inaasahan ninyo po magpapa-downgrade?
Lahat-lahat po ito, around 30,000 employees yung ina-expect po natin, lahat-lahat. But after October 16, we will be conducting a tally kasi there is a big percentage of them that have left the country already for good. Bukod pa po dun sa mga nag-downgrade. So yan po ang makikita natin na figures by the end of October 15. Ngayon, ina-expect po natin for this week, medyo hahataw po kasi Filipino time na rin itong mga ito. Dulo na rin po. So in the last week of the deadline, we're expecting the numbers to soar up to 15, maybe 20,000 even.
Wow, okay.
Dana, I'm wondering if among the 30,000 that you've mentioned, merong mga nakapag-asawa ng Pilipino, Pilipina, may anak dito, na ano yun, may proseso ba that will allow them to stay on as let's say padre de pamilya or ilaw ng tahanan para maging resident alien naman, ano?
Well, after downgrading po, they would still be required to leave the country. Pakailangan po nilang lumabas ng bansa. But wala pong blacklisting yan. So if they have valid reason to come back to the Philippines, kasi ito po yung mga legal Ito yung mga legal na nagtatrabaho. So if they have valid reason to come back to the Philippines, say for example, they have families here, they may do so. They may come back and apply for the appropriate visas. But yung kanilang visa, which was petitioned by an online gaming company, should be downgraded already.
Let's get together. Sunnet 25. Sunnet 25.